We have some big breaking news coming in. Mumbai Crime Branch arrests Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra for creation of pornographic films and publishing them through some apps. There was a case registered with the Crime Branch Mumbai in February 2021. The Mumbai police say, and I quote, "We have sufficient evidence regarding this. Investigation is currently in progress." Here we're looking at the Mumbai Crime Branch arresting Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra for allegedly creation of pornographic films and publishing them through some apps. There was a case registered with the Crime Branch in Mumbai back in Feb 2021. Mumbai police say that they have sufficient evidence regarding this. Investigation currently on. Saurabh Vaktania for more details on that. Saurabh, take us through. Raj Kundra has been arrested allegedly for creating pornographic films and pushing it through some apps. These are allegations. A complaint was filed against him on Feb 2021, a few months ago. What took the police this long for them to crack down on him?
So, well, Nabila, in this particular case, the Mumbai Crime Branch has busted this whole module of pornography industry, wherein whole porn movies have been made and they have been uploaded on some apps. So this particular incident had taken place in the month of February. This event was taking place in Malwani area of Mumbai, wherein some of the models, directors, producers, makeup artists, all of them were arrested at that time by the Mumbai Crime Branch. Now, during the course of investigation, the Mumbai Crime Branch learned that all this whole production and all this porn movies were been made by saying of Raj Kundra. So his name came up, but Crime Branch wanted to establish this whole case. And later on today evening, Nabila, Raj Kundra was summoned. He was called for questioning in the late evening. Within few hours, now he's been placed under arrest by Mumbai Crime Branch. Mumbai Police Commissioner himself has given this particular information to India Today, confirming that how in this particular case they have sufficient evidence. They said that they have enough evidence that how he is the key conspirator. He is the one who was making this porn movies and uploading on the social media sites, and therefore they have enough evidence based on the statements and also other evidence, and therefore now he is placed under arrest. Let me tell you, tomorrow he will be produced in the court for further custody.
Right. Are you trying to say that he's going to remain in police custody tonight, and any chance for him to get bail? Was this an absolute surprise for Raj Kundra? You are saying that a complaint was filed with this regard months ago. What took them this long? You mentioned they were investigating, but for them to be arresting him late at night, any particular proof that they've got that they cracked down on him late in the wee hours?
Well, Nabila, these sections are very much serious. It is very unlikely that he gets bail. What the Mumbai police officials are telling us, that he was called for questioning. First of all, he was summoned for questioning. Late in the evening today, he reached Crime Branch. India Today also accessed the exclusive visuals, wherein in the visuals you can see when Raj Kundra appeared before the Mumbai Crime Branch today late evening. Within few hours of questioning, let me tell you, Nabila, he's been placed under arrest. And now, as per the information given by the Mumbai Police Commissioner, they are clearly saying that he is the key conspirator. He was the one who was making all these porn movies and uploading on the social media. And therefore, they also have enough evidence to nail Raj Kundra.
Yes, Saurabh, are you trying to say that he had a full-blown production unit producing the entire porn films? You're saying it was an ongoing production. How did he manage to hoodwink authorities for this long then?
Absolutely, Nabila. He was the one who is the main conspirator. So Mumbai Crime Branch in the month of February had busted this whole industry. Let me tell you, at particular time when the Mumbai Crime Branch raided the guest house in Malwani, that time this porn movie was being shooting. That shooting was taking place at that particular place, and that time the actress, the makeup artist, the production, the director, and all, so many people were arrested at time. Based on their statement, the Mumbai Crime Branch actually got an information that this was all been done by saying of Raj Kundra, who was heading this thing. So now he's taken into custody. After some time, he will be taken for medical.
So he's paid money into that production house. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes, absolutely. That is the part of investigation.
All
But
right.
yes, he was the one who was actually, like Mumbai police is actually saying that he's the key conspirator. So
All right.
many things will.
Saurabh,
after
let's
once-
see where investigations take him. Currently, Raj Kundra has been arrested. He's going to be in custody. The matter will be in court tomorrow.